In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new role at same company. First on LinkedIn, of course. So first of all, you will need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my LinkedIn here. And as we said, we would like to add a new role at same company. So all I need to do, just go to my profile by clicking at my icon at the top left corner and go and click at view profile. Here, of course, wait, let me just remove this keyboard. Wait, delete that. And as you can see here, if I scroll down, I don't even add that I worked for a company. Of course, that's just the interests. But if you want to add a company, of course, all you need to do, just go here and add sections. And of course, you can add maybe here about education, position, career break, or skills. So if you click at add position, of course, you would like here to add an employment type. And of course, wait, let me just click on X, title, company's name. So let's just add Microsoft as an example. So just click on the company here. So just do assistance, do whatever, because I would like just to show you. Yeah, I'll just do full-time. Just do maybe this, Australia, search dates, do whatever, and dates. And position, or let's just check this and current position as for now. Then click at save. Just do whatever here, others, save. And as you can see here, now if I go to my profile, I'll find this experience that I am an assistant on Microsoft from this to this. So of course, if I want to add a position or a new role at the same company, all I need to do is just go and click add the plus icon here. And as you can see here, I would like to add a position. So of course here, maybe you change to maybe an assistance manager after being just an assistant. Of course, you would like to maybe here, let's just type full-time. Make sure to choose the same company, of course. Choose Microsoft as well. And let's just choose maybe the same. Yeah, so let's just go back here. Of course, you would like to enter start date. Maybe this, set, and end this, and click at save. So as you can see here, I was an assistant from September 2017 and I become an assistant manager at 2019. As you can see here, I just added a new role at the same company. So that's how you do it, and I hope you like guys the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.